Sobrang init dito sa Antarctica. Hi guys, samahan niyo ako sa space. Ayoko na dyan sa Earth. Ay putang ina, may alien. Ayaw ko na sa space.
Susubukan natin tikman itong kumukulong lava. Mukhang masarap. Ayan, kukuha na ako. Napakainit.
Magandang umaga mga kapuso, malakas pa rin ang ulan dito sa... Wala nang gas, buti pa kalsada. Pwede na pang prito.
Lola, puno na po. Payag po ba kayo nakatayo?
Lintek ka? Nung kabataan ko nga, payag ako kahit nakatuwad pa. Ano kaya nangyari dyan? Kawawa naman. Guys, tara ligo!
Yung crush mo, hindi kanya magugustuhan kapag ginagawa mo to. Make sure na panoorin mo to hanggang dulo dahil yung pinakahuli, yun yung pinaka-turn off sa kanila. Number 1, kapag hindi maayos yung haircut mo, yung tipong naka-burst fade ka lang, nakamulit, sumasabay ka lang sa uso kahit na hindi naman bagay sa'yo. At kung titignan ka ng crush mo, hindi ka talaga magugustuhan nun. Kasi lahat kayo naka-burst fade, parang pare-pareho lang yung mukha nyo. At makikilala mo din kung sino yung taong may ayaw sa'yo. Try mong pindutin yung arrow sa ibaba tapos pindutin mo yung more. At kung sino yung pangalawang pangalan na lalabas, yun yung may ayaw sa'yo. Number 2, pinipilit mong maging ibang tao. Kunwari, mahilig ka rin sa gusto niya kahit na hindi naman. Kunwari, cool ka kahit na hindi ka naman komportable. Oo, sa una, baka gumana, pero sa bandang huli, lalabas pa rin yung totoong ikaw. Pangatlo, wala kang confidence sa sarili mo. Lagi mo nalang sinasabi na baka hindi ka niya magustuhan, or lagi mong sinasabi na pangit kasi ako, or baka naman lagi mong tinatanong na may mas okay kaya sa akin? May hirapan na paniwalaan ng ibang tao yung value mo kung ikaw mismo hindi ka naniniwala sa sarili mo. Wait lang, kung umabot ka ng ganito kalayo sa video ko, gusto ko malaman kung ano yung first name ng crush mo. I-comment mo naman sa comment section kung talagang proud ka sa kanya. At kung matapang ka, itag mo nga. By the way guys, ako nga pala si Vendetta at alam mo ba na kapag palagi kang
Ranking funniest MM2 moments in Roblox.
Hold on real quick, I just need to slide this debit card between your second belly roll. Let me just go ahead and... Transaction completed.
No.
The big bad wolf. The big bad wolf. The big bad wolf.
I wanna hold them like them doing Texas please.
Ranking funniest
Guys, magiging matanda daw tong baby pag naubos niya yung gata sa dulo.
The man had the worst case of OCD in the world. He even destroyed an entire artwork just to satisfy his inner need. One day, while visiting a museum, Jack stumbled upon a piece created by a famous artist. He was immediately drawn to it, but soon he noticed something wrong. A blue candy was placed in the middle of the yellow painting. For someone like Jack with obsessive tendencies, this was unbearable. After checking to make sure no one was watching, he reached out and removed the candy. The artist, however, was stunned when he saw this because a disaster was about to unfold. Unaware, Jack was pleased with himself, thinking he had fixed the artist's mistake. But the next second, the candy started to fall out of the painting. Jack quickly realized he'd made a huge mistake and tried to step back, but it was too late. In just a few seconds, the once perfect artwork was ruined. The masterpiece was completely destroyed and the artist could only watch helplessly. Thankfully, there was still a part of the artwork left. Just when Jack thought the artist wouldn't blame him, the final piece of the artwork fell. At this point, the artist was so furious he couldn't even speak. Jack, unsure of what to do, awkwardly smiled at the artist, popped the candy into his mouth and casually walked away. Turns out the blue candy was the soul of the entire artwork. Everything was completely The man had the worst case of OCD in the world.
Why do you have the same hat as me?
Oh, hello there. I'm... Wait, I don't have a name. What is my name, creator? Tell me.
You seem pretty freaky. I'll